Hi guys, Luca here, welcome back to another LTV Luca's Transport vlog. And we're in Greymouth, New Zealand. This is on the west coast of the South Island of New Zealand. And Greymouth railway station here. And we are awaiting the arrival of the Tranz Alpine Scenic railway train from Greymouth down to Christchurch. Train takes about 5 hours. We'll be stopping at a few stations along the way and then going down to Christchurch, arriving there at around 7 p.m. Train departs at around 2. It's currently 1:44, so should be departing, or should be pulling in shortly. The train, you can't see it, but it's in a siding, and they reverse the locos and then bring the train back into the platform. And here's something which is a bit strange for the Australian mind. Woolworths' countdown. It's all a bit mixed up here, but I like it. They have some really nice chocolates, which you cannot get in Australia, but enough about that. Train will pull in soon, sorry, and we'll pick it up from there. Train does enter the platform pretty slowly. Jeez. Feature of the Tranz Alpine train here. It has an open air viewing car. This is the last carriage of this train. As you can see, there is just a luggage car back there. Open air viewing car, so it is open, obviously, no smoking, and they don't want you to lean out. But that is the platform there. Open air viewing car, lovely to come out here. They do close this though when you go through the Atira tunnel, so just be wary of that for fumes. But it is a lovely place if you want some fresh air and some nice mountain views throughout this pass, so we'll be coming back here later. And as you can see here, this is the menu that you are presented with on the Tranz Alpine. I ended up having the lamb shank on this train. The cafe car offers some really nice food, and it's all seen here. And as we take a look now at the seat, that is the rest of the carriage. I was in carriage E for this journey. I had a table seat, which was nice big window to the right, and nice massive. There were lots of seats on this train in my carriage on the way down, as the train was not full, so that was nice. And this is the seat that you were presented with when boarding the Tranz Alpine train. Very nice, very comfortable. You can see here the headrest is very comfortable too, and has the foldable wings, which are nice for having small naps, which I did use, and they are very nice. And the seat also has a nice foldable armrest on both sides. And what you're about to see are the audio controls and headphone plug-in for the audio that you can listen to. I obviously had a table seat, so a 4-seater with a table, and it was extremely comfortable, and that was the carriage. And it's a very nice seating option.
On board the Tranz Alpine, bound for Moana, Arthur's Pass, Wollaston and Christchurch. My name's Kellyanne, I'll be your onboard service manager today, your wonderful crew with you today. Your train manager is Alicia, along with Rajosh, Holly and Leo in the cafe. Down in Scenic Plus, you have your maitre d' today is Gracie, along with Jasmine, Claire and Glenn. Now we're all here to make sure you have a safe and enjoyable journey with us today. Now, one of the crew members has come through carriage A to put reserve signs on seats that customers are joining us along the way. If you are wanting to move seats, you're absolutely more than welcome to move seats without speaking to a member of your crew, as we don't have a very full train today. So you're absolutely welcome to move seats, unless of course that seat has a reserve sign on it already. Now we do ask that you take some time to familiarise yourself with our safety information card. Your fire extinguishers are located at both ends of each carriage. Your emergency help call buttons are located in the centre of each car and the rear vestibule between each carriage. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please follow the instructions from your onboard crew. This is a non-smoking service and includes any electronic cigarettes.
And now, as we approach the first stop on our journey of Moana, here are some nice still photos that I got of the low clouds hanging over a little mountaintop and Lake Bruna, I believe it's pronounced. Lovely lake where Moana is, and the lush greenery of New Zealand is lovely to see by train.
As mentioned earlier, is where we will be closing down that cafe car along with the toilets. So now is a good time to use those toilets on board the service for the closure for the tunnel. Thank you.
We've made it to Arthur's Pass. This is the Tranz Alpine train here, Kiwi Rail. We've made it to Arthur's Pass. This is sort of like the middle point. Beautiful scenery here. And this is where they detach the rear locomotive from the train. This helped us go through the 8.5 kilometre section of the Atira Tunnel. And hopefully we get to see that. Yeah, there's a few men climbing in there. So we'll get to see that happen here today. But yes, welcome to Arthur's Pass. It's very cold here. Look at this. These are some great views that we're having here on board the Tranz Alpine Scenic Railway train from Greymouth down to Christchurch. We've just left Arthur's Pass. These are the views. Double river action, look at that. And some trees. Lovely views here on the Tranz Alpine. And yes, lovely views indeed on the Tranz Alpine Scenic Railway, one of the most scenic railways in the world. I had lots of fun travelling on it, and it is definitely worth the money if you would like to travel on it. The last hour and a bit of the journey was in darkness, so no recording there. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.